Okay, so asking about how to play with the transformations of the log function on the Desmos graphing calculator. You'll see that if I allow this generic function a log x minus c in parentheses plus d, Desmos will automatically ask me about adding these sliders a, c, and d, which I did. So I just said select all. And let me show you. When you type something in like this, you can just select all sliders. And then you can sort of play with it. So for now, I would allow a to equal 1, c to equal 0, so that there's no transformation there, and d to equal 0. And then comment on what each of these contributes to the graph. So go ahead and play with each slider, comment on what it contributes, and then go forward from there.